guys, what's up? So today we are going to be talking about the Tri-Light by Skin Inc. I've been using this skincare device for probably about a week and a half to 2 weeks now, and I'm really loving it. It is a really great way to embrace your skin perfections and love the skin you're in. So what is so amazing about this little skincare device is that it connects to the Plus Sabi AI app through Bluetooth on your phone, and it's kind of like an 8-in-1 virtual skincare coach. And it tracks the wellness of your skin using revolutionary AI skin intelligence technology. So it has 5 targeted LED lights that really empower you to customize your skincare routine. So going into the Plus Sabi AI app, it looks a little something like this. You're going to turn your Bluetooth on and then just simply connect your device. Once you've connected your device, it's going to take you to your profile, which looks a little something like this. And here is where you can access your personalized skincare results. Here is my skin report, and it gives you all of the results. Each time you do a treatment, you can also get rewards. And you have access to the Skin Inc. shop right at your fingertips. So let's do a treatment together. I'm going to select device and then start treatment. And you can pick from glow, clarity, soothe, firmness, sculpt, or custom. So you can customize your treatment and what you exactly want. I am gonna do glow today. And what's really cool is it shows a tutorial on how to use the device. There is also a timer built in once you do start your treatment so you know how long to go. So before we start our treatment, I'm going to apply the Skin Inc. Daily Dose of Armor Serum. This has vitamins B3, ceramide, and licorice to help strengthen and defend skin in the battle against spots and enlarged pores, sensitivity, stress, and dehydration. It also has Cica, which is a plant that's been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries and is great for soothing and healing the skin. So I'm starting the timer on my app, and each treatment is about 10 minutes long. But if you're in a rush and don't have the full 10 minutes, the Tri-Light gives you the option to do a 3-minute flash facial. I've been really stressed out, you guys, so I'm breaking out in a few little areas. So this night before bed, I used the Deep Care Blemish SOS patches. These deliver a synergistic dose of tea tree oil and salicylic acid deep below the skin's surface to help target early stage blind pimples by blocking their progress and bringing them to a head fast. I left these on for about 6 to 8 hours while I slept. And then the next morning, I took them off. And of course, my skin was a little bit red from something being there, but that quickly went away. And I could significantly tell a big difference in those blemishes. The Tri-Light and Plus Sabi AI app also lets you do hydration checks to check the moisture in your skin. You just remove the bottom cap and press it to your face, and then it does your check. And here are my results. And as you can see, I need to drink a lot more water and use a better moisturizer. I just want to say a big thank you to Skin Inc. for sending me the Tri-Light to try, and I'm really excited to see where my skincare journey goes from here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.